Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Thermaltake G700 RGB gaming decks. Thermaltake has introduced the G700 RGB gaming decks. Is a height adjustable gaming desk in a white finish. So friend, this desk is equipped with electric lift mechanism and designed for optional dual display setup, and the gaming decks Snow allow height adjustment within the range of 61 to 125 cm with a lifting speed of 35 mm per second, and it features a large tabletop capable of accommodating dual monitors, and the rear section of the decks include a high-strength aluminum alloy sliding rail and providing flexibility in positioning monitor arms, and the deck surface is neatly fully covered by a full-size mouse pad, and dedicated cable management space is located underneath the rear edge of the desk, and the desk rear panel also feature open close design to facilitate either cable management, and additionally magnetically attached cable organizer is included for further convenience, and this gaming desk also comes with RGB LED lighting enhancing its gaming focused design. A 6-button controller allow user to save two different height settings for quick adjustment. For the further information on the G700 RGB gaming decks via Thermaltake official website. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.